Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a quick little look at our fast little trip to Montauk. I'm so excited to have you joining me today. Danny and I took a last minute trip out to the end of the world, out on Long Island, New York, to visit my cousin Susan. She has a camper and was camping on the beach in Montauk and invited Danny and I to join. So we hopped on the ferry. We left out of New London and ended up having to take two more small little ferries to get to Montauk. Honestly, I couldn't tell you exactly what they were. I was passenger princessing the entire time, but it was a gorgeous ride. We took the Jeep. We had the top down the entire time. It was hot and beautiful, and there was so much to look at. We got to go through East Hampton. It was incredible, and the closer we got to Montauk, you could smell the ocean. It was just absolutely stunning, and we could not have gotten better weather. And when we got super close to where we were going, we got even more excited because you could see the water just all around you. Montauk is beautiful, and we were camping, like I said, right on the beach in my cousin's gorgeous camper. It's literally like an apartment on wheels, but you just drive your truck right out onto the beach, and it is amazing. We enjoyed sitting right in the water. I was reading, Danny was fishing, my cousin and I were able to chat. It was just so incredibly relaxing. On that first night, we went out for dinner at Inlet Seafood, literally right across from the campground, had delicious food and cocktails, and listened to a tribute band for the Grateful Dead. It was wonderful. The sunset was just showing off that night. It did not disappoint. The food was so good, and we were able to walk out directly onto the beach and watch the sun just sink behind the water. It was so incredibly beautiful. No matter where you looked, it was just golden sunlight and beautiful ocean. It was just absolutely stunning. We waited for the sun to fully set, and then we headed back to our campsite where we started up the fire and got into comfy clothes and enjoyed cocktails around the beautiful glow of the firelight. It was dreamy and so incredibly relaxing. The sand was still warm from the day, and it was just absolutely dreamy. The next morning, we woke up and there was a gorgeous double rainbow, and we enjoyed coffee on the sand before getting dressed and heading into town. We went and did a little bit of shopping and enjoyed some ice cream before heading back to the campsite to have some lunch. My cousin Susan hooked us up with some delicious chicken and just threw it all together. She's just such a whiz. We then enjoyed the beach all day long and made an absolutely delicious dinner, surf and turf, steak and shrimp, and delicious potatoes, and enjoyed an evening with homemade blood orange margaritas and s'mores to top off the night. It was absolutely dreamy, and I can't wait to do it again. Thanks for joining me, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.